Hello, 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 guys, and welcome to the channel. This is pre-New York session. New York open time is near, but I'm planning for to do stream on a good topic, uh, which is how to trade Forex in 2020, Forex lifestyle, goals, and achievements. So we will discuss about this topic in depth. If you click on this video, it means you are interested how to trade forex in 2020 and how to be successful. So the whole video is get together with basic 10 points. We will discuss each and every point in greater detail. So we have overall 10 points, which are these points, but we will start from the first point. If you are planning to start uh, Forex, the first and the most important point number one, which is patience. Forex is not a quick rich scheme, right? Forex is not a quick rich scheme. If you are planning to start trading and you want to make some money, so you need to be a patient person, right? You need patience. If you are patient and you have discipline in your life, then you can proceed with trading and you can trade, right? The most important factor is patience, right? Without patience, you cannot make money and you will be the part of 90% side which are the losers, right? Let me explain why patience are so important in the forex, right? So for example, this is the chart currently on gold, right? And now it's yesterday we were discussing about the trade, like if we get price somewhere around here, then we will put pending order here to target this area, right? This area, sorry, this area, and we will proceed with the trade, right? Currently the price is in this area, right? If you are a long-term trader or you are a trading price action and structure-based trader, you have to wait for this area or this area to get entered. Now for candlestick technical analysis, which people do technical analysis on candlesticks or scalping, they will enter on this signal. This is engulfing candle and they will target this area, right? Because this is a swing high, right? So you will have, if you have a trading plan, you will have to wait and it requires patience. If you don't have a patience, you will enter somewhere here, you will enter somewhere here, you will enter somewhere here, and you will get a loss. Because if you don't have a proper stop loss area, you are not able to proceed with the profitable trade. So patience is very important in trading. If you don't have patience, if you don't have discipline, you cannot make it. It's simple. The first and the most important point number one, which is patience, right? Point number two, Forex community and spoon feeding. Let me explain what is Forex community and spoon pudding. Forex community is, it's scattered with too much information, too much noise. Everyone is discussing, everyone is teaching that what is Forex, how our harmonic works, how Elliott wave works, how to filter those content, how to filter out a working content, how to identify a working strategy, and which people running this community you have to be very cautious about. Spoon feeding as a factor like forex signal services. There are too many forex signal services which offer forex signals, and they will just provide you a signals, like they will tell you to buy in specific price area, like this area they will tell you to sell some currency or stock in the specific area, like this. In this area they will spoon feed you. Majority of 90 to 95% of those people are just scamming you, and which are authentic, they will just spoon feed you. So what will be this problem? The problem is that you will not able to do analysis yourself. If you are not able to do analysis yourself, then in the future if that person which are spoon feeding you or quit the trading, so what you will do? You will be like a jobless person. You will then hunt down for another guy who will provide you signals to start your work, to do your work. So please guys, don't do such thing. Learn yourself, right? So the second part, the most important part is stay aware from such people which are showing you Lamborghinis, million of dollars every day. They will tell you that we make millions. If they are making millions, so why they are selling their courses, right? So be cautious and avoid signal services. The third most important part is learn to trade. Learn yourself. Learn the art, how to trade. You don't need to pay somebody to trade to tell you how to trade. There are ton of videos on YouTube, and I am also planning that I will teach you how to trade. You just need a basics, like how support and resistance work, how trend line works, what are market timings, which session is good for which pair, which stock, what is bullish and bearish momentum. You need just basics. If you get an idea about the basics, then you can survive the market. So please just learn to trade yourself. Avoid signal services and such communities which will just give you scattered content, right? Number four, the important factor about your trading. Adopt a trading style. There are two types or three types of trading styles which suits your personality. Like one is swing trader and one is scalper. Swing trading is something like long-term trading, day trading, which for on which you will be able to trade for 1 2 3 days, and your position will be open. And scalper just scalp for 10 15 pips on each position. Like, let me explain. If you are a swing trader, you will trade on higher time frame, like this gold trade. You will enter somewhere around this area and you will target this area, which will take 2 3 days to uh, hit your target, right? And such trades take times to develop. For example, you can get opportunities like this, 1 or 2 trades, maximum 2 trades or 3 trades a week, sometime you will not able to get it. But if you are a scalper, you have quick decision power. You can quickly decide the bearish or bullish side. Then you can scalp. Scalpers do just 10-15 pips. Like if you get a signal for sale in this area, is this is the first touch for of the resistance, you get bearish signal, you entered here, your stop loss is here, your entry is here, and your target is somewhere here, and you are out of the trade. This is scalping. So it's depend on your style, which prefer yours, which fits your style, your lifestyle. So you decide, you want to be a scalper or you want to be a swing trader. Once you decided uh, that you have enough patience, you have discipline, you know the Forex community, and you are providing signal services, and you learn the basics, and you know that what is which type of trader you are a swing trader or you are a scalper. Then you can choose a broker and open a demo account, right? Demo account is super simple. You can go with any broker. I will not suggest any broker, but you can search on Google, you can find ton of brokers. You just sign up with any broker and just create a demo account, right? Now you are ready, you know how to trade, you know your style of trading, you have patience, and you have the skill. Now let's try it in an live market with virtual money, right? This is our fifth number point. Number six, which is the most important factor in your trading, and if you don't know or you are not able to you are not able to understand this point, you will lose money and it will be a headache for you. Risk management. Risk management is a very important factor in trading. If you manage your risk properly, then you can avoid losses and blow up in your account, right? Let me give you an example. Forex, for example, you learn to trade, you know trading, and you enter a trade. For example, this is our one leg, this is our second, and this is our trading area, right? So if you are entering to a trade in this area, right, and your stop loss is somewhere here and your target is in this area, so you what will be the best part, how much money you want to lose and how much money you want to get if you are entering to a trade, right? For example, if you want risk reward, risk to reward 1 to 1, 1 to 2, for example, how many percent you want you to risk? You want to risk 1%, 2%, 3%. And what is your reward? If you entered you here, you risk 1%, 1% here, right? You risk 1%. What are your gains? You are gaining 3%, 1%, or 2%. So use proper risk management. For example, if you are risking 1% per trade, then you have 100 chances to trade. If you are risking 10% per trade, you have 10 chances. This is These are your chances. If you are flipping the coin, right? How many times head and tail will come? Because this is probability. So always use proper risk management. In the next point, which is the most important thing, is back testing, and I will explain risk management in the back testing as well. We will explain further the risk management in that point. Number 7 point is back testing, right? So now you open the demo account, you know how to manage your risk, right? And now you are back testing the data, right? You are back testing the data and you have a strategy, right? Like for example, we have a simple strategy. What is a strategy? Strategy is a simple term. Like for example, this is live market. We have for example one, two, three, or four, which are a set of rules. On rules, for example, we defined that if we reach area 1, then we will sell. If we reach the area 3, then we will buy. This is your strategy, right? So you always follow these rules, and based on this rule, which is our next topic, you will create a trading plan, and you will check your hit rate, that for example 1000 times or 100 times I took same setup, like this same setup 100 times or 1000 times, which on which I get 70% win rate, right? I get 71% win rate and 30% losses. The 30% is our losses, right? Loser, and this is our win, 70% win. So on this you will create your trading plan, right? Which is our next point. Just let me paste this point here, then we will discuss further. So now let's explain it further. Now you have a strategy which we discussed, like we have rules to sell this here and buy in this area. This is your simple strategy. 1, 2, selling on strategy on 2, buying on 3, and target is 4. This is our simple strategy. We created a strategy. We back tested this strategy, right? Back tested this strategy, and based on these results, we have results. 70% is win and 30% is loss, right? So depend on our back testing and strategy data, we get the results that 70% and 30%, 30% is loss, 70% win rate. We will create a trading plan that we backtested euro usd pair. We backtested euro usd, on which if we take 100 trades, and 100 trades, it will be 70 winner and 30 loser. So for example, if we take 100 trades with 1% risk, if we trade 100 positions with 1% rate. So if we win, we will make 70%. If we lose, we will lose 30%. 70 minus 30 equal to 40%. We still make 40%. So win rate 70% is acceptable, right? The other factor is risk to reward, right? Our strategy is dependent on one to one risk, one winning. For example, if we risk 1%, we win 1%, right? Target. Our strategy is 1 to 2. We lose 1%, but we make 2%. Then you can decide and you can test our targets and a back testing. So this will be included in our trading plan. Now you have a strategy, you back tested the data, you have a trading plan. Now you will go live, right? So if you are going live and you shouldn't be demo trading more than 3 or 6 months, because you need actual emotions in trading, because demo trading in demo trading you will not get that results which you will get in the live trading. Live trading is a very difficult thing. You have to try it yourself and you will get an idea. So your first and the most important thing is, if you are taking decision to go live, treating forex trading as a business. Treat it as a business, as a long term. This is not a 1 day game, 2 months, 3 months, or a year game. You treat it as a business and always think we will proceed with it and we will trade for long term, right? So also start with an amount which you feel that I'm doing some business. So always treat Forex as a business, not a quick rich scheme. The last part now, which is put the hard work in. You have completed everything. You did a hard work and you know your strategy. You have back tested. You have a trading plan. You have money. You did a hard work and now just get together everything, follow the rules and make some real money, right? So guys, the most important points: patience, number one. If you don't have patience, then please stop right here and don't think about trading, because trading is not a quick rich scheme. Always be cautious about the forex community and signal services. Learn yourself to trade. You should also be aware of which type of trader you are: a swing trader or a scalper. Opening a demo account to know about the trading platform. You are using MT4, you are using TradingView, MT5, Thinkorswim, anything. Demo account will give you that information. Always trade with proper risk management before getting any idea from other person about the process, forex strategy. Always back test that data, create trading plan on the results of that strategy which you have back tested, and as always treat it as a business and make some real money. I will put timestamps in the description when I close the stream, and for each topic I will point out the timestamp on the description. I hope so I deliver something on which you will get some good results. If you have any question or concern, please comment below. I will be happy to answer. And I'm sorry if I am not able to deliver it in a proper way, because I'm new to streaming. And I hope so I will be get good enough in near future. So guys, thanks again. Have a great day. Have a safe trading and wish you best luck and good bye for now. See you in the next video.